Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by nailing the offer and audience so AI has clear goals. Start with a concise value proposition and price tiers. That tells models what to optimize. Next, segment people into cold, warm, and hot buckets and list their top objections. Once done, set measurable KPIs, conversion rate, CAC, LTV, and a 30-90-day timeline. Make sure to gather initial creatives, email lists, and access to analytics. This gives your AI tools the data they need to act now. Now you construct the funnel using AI to generate and iterate assets quickly. Feed the model your offer, audience segments, and KPIs, then produce headlines, ad copy, email sequences, and multiple landing page variants. Once content exists, assemble 2 to 3 funnel paths, lead magnet into tripwire into core offer, and wire them in your automation platform. Make sure to implement personalization tokens and dynamic blocks so AI can tailor messaging. Finally, launch with controlled traffic and watch the first week's metrics closely. That data trains your AI-driven optimizations. Let models recommend bid changes, creative swaps, audience splits, and subject line variations, and then deploy the highest confidence wins. Once you see patterns, scale incrementally and preserve winning variants. If conversions stall, troubleshoot methodically. Check tracking and pixels, confirm offer clarity on the page, test load speed, and validate form behavior. One key tip: reproduce a failing user path yourself to find hidden friction fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.